I feel that this particular sneaker is a hybrid between the Stan Smith and also the Nike Air Force. In case if you can't afford any one of them, this is your best bet, and what's better than a white sneaker in terms of the versatility, right? What is up, my stylish people? This is Shang. Welcome back to this channel. Recently, I did a shop my wishlist video which got almost 55,000 of views, and there I suggested two sneakers for you in specific. One is the Puma Mirage and other is the Puma Slipstream elbow sneakers, and you guys have asked me to do a in-detail review and unboxing, few of you guys. So here you go with the unboxing and detailed review of the Puma Slipstream elbow sneakers. The first and foremost category, of course, the outer packaging. For the outer packaging, the box came in a pretty bad condition. I didn't expect this one. I got the sneaker in a size of 9, which equals to EU 43, and these priced at 8,000 rupees. I got this at a price point of 4,000 rupees. There was some 50% off going on Amazon. First things first, you have to look after this particular label on the box, the manufacture date. If it is too old, just return back the sneaker. Here it's in February 2022, so it should be fine. And the other thing, where is the country of manufacture? Even though sometimes it determines quality and sometimes it may not. Here it's made in China. I'm not sure about the quality, but in general, the quality of the Puma sneakers at this particular high-end version of the Puma sneakers, generally it is great. And when it comes to the box, always make sure that for the Puma high-end sneakers, particularly in terms of the price, you're getting this green box. If you get a red box, chances are there that the box either don't belong to that particular shoe, or you might be getting a wrong shoe or maybe a duplicate product. So here in this case, everything is authentic, and you can just trust with the link down in the description below. Now, moving on to the category number 2, it's about the design and materials of the shoe. Coming to that, it's a low top, beige or maybe cream color sneaker from Puma. This is the Puma Slipstream elbow sneaker. Actually, it was a basketball shoe in the 1987. It was a super popular option. Puma redesigned this in 2000s, adding much more modernism to the already classic option. It resembles me with the shape of the Nike Air Force and also to the Continentals, not exactly the Stan Smiths, because Stan Smith is even more low top, and also the cup shape for the Stan Smith generally differs. Stan Smith is one of my favorite options when it comes to the white sneakers. And talking about the white sneakers, even though it's marked as white, they do have two versions of it. This is the off-white, rather I would call beige or creamish version. You can see because here the sole is white color. This is actually the cream color, but they listed as white option. But they do have one more white option as well. I will make sure that there is a link in the description. And when it comes to the construction of the sneaker, it is made of leather, and the leather quality is like really good. Of course, you are gonna get creases with time, but in case if you are using shoe trees, generally Puma shoes are like very durable, particularly their leather options, not exactly the suede leather options of the Puma, but in general these leather options from Puma, they are really great. And when it comes to cup area, they do have these perforations in order to make sure that the ventilation is proper. And when it comes to the eyelets, you can see here they do have 8 eyelets, with 3 of them having these attachments here. You can see one thing which I don't like in general about the Puma sneakers, until and unless you're not going for a color blocked option, is that Puma branding stripe. Generally they tend to color mark in different colorways based on whatever the sneaker you're opting for, but here it is like color coordinated, so it's all together one single color. That makes this particular option super versatile. And also, if you can see, the branding is done in this white color. The Slipstream branding is done in this white color in a ever so subtler way. That's what I liked it, because just they wanted to color coordinate this white color with the sole white color. And also when it comes to the sole, you can see here that Puma anti-shock system. I already mentioned to you guys the basic purpose of the sneakers when they were released back in 1987 is for basketball. So obviously this is one of the important factor. It should be the anti-shock system. It should be fine if you use for gym in case of traction and everything, but for sports I don't recommend this particular option. And when it comes to the tongue portion, the upper portion, it's made of the same material as the shoes, and also they have this Puma branding in this white color and also in a subtler way. And also when it comes to the backside portion of the tongue, it is nice and spongy. When it comes to the sole, you can see it is in white color, and also just like the chunky sneakers, the sole is like a little bit thick, and obviously yes, you do get the advantage of added height. Also, the quality of laces is also really great, and the laces are color coordinated in this beige or the off-white color here. Moving on to the next category, which would be the comfort. As I already mentioned that Puma have this anti-shock system going on. They haven't mentioned anything on the insole. Generally they would go with the soft foam or the Puma different kinds of insole for different types of shoes or different category of shoes when it comes to their pricing, their high end, mid end and low end. But for this they haven't mentioned anything on the insole, but the insole is like really comfortable. And also when it comes to the sides and at the tongue area, you do get enough cushioning that adds to the overall comfort. So you get the best of both worlds. The shoe is made of leather, and also in terms of the comfort it is great, and also in terms of the added height. Overall for a low top shoe, this is like really well made. Now let's talk about the last category. Is it versatile enough to wear with majority of the clothing you have? In case your clothing style falls under the smart casual, casual or maybe semi-casual to ultra-casual, you can definitely wear this option. Why I'm saying ultra-casual? Because here the sole is thick, so you can definitely get away by using this sneaker with the cargo pants or something like that with much more relaxed cut to it. And in case if you want to wear slimmer fit clothing, just like for a smart casual, be it with a slim fit jeans or be it with a skinny fit jeans partly, until and unless if it is not super skinny. And then if you comes to the normal pleated pants, these goes really well because the toe shape is like nicely rounded. You can wear this particular shoe with the shorts as well, which looks super casual during summer seasons. And the best part, as this color is super versatile and also the shape is nice, you can wear this particular shoe with suits as well. Granted, that suit is a super casual one or maybe a normal semi-casual one, but please don't wear with the semi-formal or formal suits, these kind of sneakers. Also, the basic purpose of this shoe is a sporty purpose, right? So you can wear this shoe easily for the gym as well. The traction for this undersole is great and the comfort is medium, which is actually a good thing for a performance focused shoes. In case if you want to use this shoe for gym, not exactly for running purposes on the treadmill, I would not suggest this shoes. So overall, in terms of the versatility, I can give it 9 out of 10. I hope few of you guys who asked for this review enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to click the like down below and also comment down what would be the next sneaker you want to see when it comes to the review. And that's it from me. See you next time.